Now let's set up the internet connection. Open a browser, type in D-Link router, and click Go. You can also enter the IP address directly, 192.168.0.1. Either way takes you to the router configuration page. To configure your router, you'll need to provide the administrator password. The first time you log into your router, the password will be blank. To set up your internet connection, choose Setup from the top menu bar. You can configure your connection using a handy wizard or enter the settings manually. This time, choose the wizard. First, enter a new administrator password. You'll need to provide this to change router settings in the future. Note that this is not the same as the wireless password. You'll enter that later. Next, choose your time zone. Now you'll need to configure your internet connection. This step varies depending on how you connect. Several larger internet service providers are listed in the drop-down box for you to choose. Select yours and follow the instructions on the screen to finish setting up your connection. Call your ISP if you have any problems. If your internet service provider isn't listed in the box, you'll have to do a little extra work. First, select your connection type. If you're not sure, check with your ISP. If you use a cable modem, you probably have a DHCP connection. Choose that option and click Next. You won't usually need to change any settings on the next screen, so just click Next to continue the setup process. If you do have any problems, your ISP can help. If you use DSL, you most likely have a PPPoE connection, but again, you'll want to double check that with your ISP. Choose the option and click Next. You'll need to enter a username and password as well as several other items. You should have received this information from your ISP when you signed up for service. If not, give them a call. Once this info is entered, click Next. On the following screen, click Connect to save your settings and wait a moment while your router reboots. After it's done, your internet connection will be ready.